Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about a very crucial topic. There are so many people who want to learn English language, who want to speak English language, and when they start learning English language, so in their initial days they have to face many problems. They have to face a lot of different types of problems while speaking English language, while learning English language. And one thing also, just because of following the wrong methods, they have to face problems. And after some time they say that we are unable to speak English language, we are facing a lot of problems while speaking English language, we are unable to recall the vocabularies, we are unable to recall the structure of the sentences, and how to translate Hindi into English language, how to say Hindi into English language, what to do, what not to do for speaking English language. So in their initial days they are super excited to speak English language, but they are unable to speak English language. So the point is, if I talk about those types of problems, if I talk about those types of methods, what they use, so we can easily find out the solution, like what could be the solution. Okay, what could be the solution? I mean, the people who are learning English language, who want to speak English language, how many types of mistakes they make while speaking English language, while learning English language. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you one by one how many mistakes they make while learning English language, and why they are unable to speak English language. So if I talk about the people who have started speaking English language, who have started learning English language, so in their initial days, when they learn about grammar, when they learn about the sentences and so many rules, different types of sentences, they learn many different types of grammar rules, right? So in their initial days, when they start learning from very beginning, so they don't start speaking. Just pay attention what I'm trying to say. When they start learning English language, when they just start learning the grammar, like it is this sentence, and what is the formula of this is the formula of this, and in this way we have to put it into the sentence, and we have to make the sentence, we have to frame the sentence, and we have to speak it as well. So one thing, first of all, I would say, when they start speaking, when they start learning, when they write it in their notebooks, so they don't speak. I mean, in their initial days they don't start speaking. Like now today I have learned some of the sentences, and it is the time of practice. Whatever I have studied, whatever I have learned, now it is the time to practice for those types of sentences. Okay, so they don't speak so much in their initial days. Even they think that after learning these sentences and the grammar rules, and so many sentences like past, present, future, all the sentences, when I will learn these all the sentences, then I will start speaking English language. Otherwise I will be speaking for a very little time, and I will be focusing on grammar, I will be focusing on my sentences, I will be focusing on my vocabularies. So my friend, see, if you are starting to learn English language, if you want to speak English language, if you are going to learn English language, so on your first day, whatever you learn, present, past, future, whatever you learn, from that day onwards your speaking journey starts. Your speaking journey starts. Just go somewhere and try to speak English language. I mean, whatever you are learning, doesn't matter, whatever you are learning, just speak that, practice that sentence, every single day. And if you will not speak, whatever, doesn't matter you don't have so many vocabularies, that doesn't matter you don't have perfection, that how to speak English language in a perfect way, how to speak English language, if my tongue is not helping me, if my tongue is not moving according to the sentence, if I am making a lot of mistakes, don't afraid of making mistakes, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Okay, I'm also making a lot of mistakes while speaking English language. So should I stop it? Should I stop speaking? No, not at all. If we will not make mistakes, so how we can learn it? How we can learn the new thing? Getting the point? See, just start speaking whatever you are learning. Okay. See, if you are talking about the vocabularies, we don't have so many vocabularies for speaking English language. Like in our initial days, we are learning only sentences, we are framing the sentences only, and we don't have so much knowledge about the new words and new vocabularies. So how we can speak? So whatever vocabularies you are using while framing the sentence, the same vocabularies. And listen, in my previous video I just shared it. I'm not saying that you should watch my video. I'm just simply saying that if you want to know that how to know the daily uses vocabularies every single day, the vocabularies which type of vocabularies are being used every single day, you can learn, you can know. I'm not promoting my video only. I'm just sharing with you that you can actually understand that how many vocabularies you need to have. Okay, so in that video I have shared with you that how you can understand and how you can learn those types of vocabularies, daily uses vocabularies. Okay, and in that way you can learn many more vocabularies as well. And after learning, and don't learn one thing also, don't learn many vocabularies at the same time. Just learn 4 and 5. Okay, I mean, you should not learn many more different types of advanced vocabularies. No, simple vocabularies every single day. Whatever vocabularies are what kind of vocabularies are being used in our daily life, those vocabularies you should learn, okay, in your initial days. And just frame the sentence and just start speaking English language after learning those vocabularies. And one thing also, how you can remember those vocabularies. One just new method, it's kind of new trick for you. If you are forgetting that how to just remember these vocabularies, we are forgetting again and again. So see, if you want to keep it in your mind for a long time, so imagine in your mind whatever vocabularies you are trying to learn. Just imagine an image in your mind that this person is, if you are using any vocabulary, like for example we can say mediocrity. Mediocrity is like औसत दर्जे का. Okay, औसत दर्जे को हम इंग्लिश में mediocrity कहते हैं. So if you want to learn this word and if you want to keep it in your mind, so just imagine in your mind that who is in mediocrity, who is living, and how many people are living in mediocrity. Just imagine in your mind and make that image in your mind and just make the sentence like, yes, those people are living in mediocrity and these people are also living in mediocrity. And I am, if I talk about myself, I'm living, but I don't want to live in this mediocrity. So in this way, just imagine in your mind and then try to speak, try to just use that word again and again 4 or 5 times. When you will use it, when you will speak it again and again, so you can improve your 2 things, like your tongue will be twisted, your mind will be comfortable, and you will be able to speak English language and you will be able to recall those vocabularies as well. Okay, so just whatever you are learning, doesn't matter where you are, if you are learning only present indefinite tense and present continuous tense, so start speaking today onwards. Start speaking from today onwards. When you will start speaking, then day by day your fluency level will be increased. Getting the point? So don't think that the right time come, when I will start speaking, when I will learn the whole structure, when I will learn the all grammar rules, all the sentences, then I will start speaking. Today I don't have so much knowledge about active passive, today I don't have so much knowledge about passive voice, and today I don't have so much knowledge about direct, indirect. So how can I speak? Don't think about it, and don't afraid of making mistakes as well. Okay, everyone comes after making mistakes, everyone speaks after making mistakes. Speaking comes by speaking. So must remember this thing and try to speak every single day. Okay, so In this way you can improve your English language. In this way you can speak and you can learn vocabularies as well. This when we learn English language, so it is the, I would say it is the hardest part of our life, when we try to recall those vocabularies and we put into sentences and we make the sentence and we frame the sentence, then we speak it, and day by day we are speaking, day by day we are learning something new, we are speaking, we are translating a lot of things. So it is when we start speaking, I'm saying, and when we learn those grammar, we are making sentence, we are framing the sentence, so that part is also different. We have to face problems while learning those things as well. In our initial days it looks like very hard, very complicated for us, that we are unable to speak it, we are unable to learn it. But my friend, to be honest, there is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. You can learn. But one thing I must say, if you have burning desire to learn something, you can learn. But if a person who wants to learn English language, who wants to speak English language, but he is not hungry, he's not really hungry, like, yeah, if I am able to understand it, then I can learn. If it is just making me bored, then I'm not going to learn it, I'm not going to speak it. Okay, they think that I wish I would get it in a free of cost, at a fraction of cost. They think that I would get it at a fraction of cost, without working hard, without just giving so much time. They just count the days, like they count the months, like in these months I can speak English language, in 4 months and 5 months and 6 months I can speak English language. There is nothing like that. English is not only a course, it is a course. I'm not saying that you cannot speak in 6 months. You can speak, but not fluently. The way, I mean, whatever, the way you are thinking, like, yeah, after 6 months I will be able to speak English language fluently. No, it's a language. It takes time. Okay, just so it is a language. It takes time. So be patient and keep doing, keep working hard every single day. Just follow right methods and try to just speak English language every single day. Don't break the consistency. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.